Hello everyone. So I got this really cheap Grenaro lavalier mic. Uh, I decided not to spend a lot of money on a wireless mic because I'm still trying to explore how the YouTube journey goes, and hopefully this would give me some advantage while recording and doing any vlogs in future. So here we go. This is a unboxing video. There's a warranty card. The packaging consists of a small box which would contain the USB charge cable and a USB-C to lightning adapter, which is a nice addition because I can use this to record both with an Android device as well as my iPhone. And this is the device itself. And from the outside it looks just like a TWS wireless earbuds, but when you open it up you get one transmitter and one receiver. So you can plug in this receiver in your phone. By default it's type C, so you can directly plug it in into your Android device and start recording. And here we have the transmitter. So it also has a type C for charging and audio monitoring, so you can use this. It also has a button to engage different levels of noise reduction, so we'll see how that works. And yeah, that's it. I'll record a couple of videos and I'll show you how this turns out to be. Thank you. So this is a quick review of my new Grenaro wireless mic. So the audio right now is coming through the mic itself, and I'm in a windy environment. There is some environmental noise which you might be hearing, and we are gonna go through various levels of noise cancellations and some of the features that the mic provides. So starting with the case itself, it's quite a small case. It is comparable to some of the other TWS wireless headphones that come in the market. So for comparison, I have this Boat headphones which looks almost the same. It's slightly taller than the Boat headphones, but it's slightly thinner and taller than the one. And for comparison, this is my OnePlus buds. Right now there is no noise cancellation activated. I'm gonna activate the level 1 of noise cancellation to see how that works. So the level 1 is activated, and hopefully there is some reduction in the noise that you hear. Now I'm gonna turn on the level 2. So the level 2 is activated, and there should be some further decrease in the environmental noise. And now I'm going to turn on the level 3. So the level 3 of noise cancellation is turned on. Considering that this mic provides a lot of features and noise cancellation, to be specific, it is a great deal, I think, because it comes with a lightning adapter as well. So it comes with a type C to lightning adapter, which itself would cost around 500 to 700 on Amazon. So considering the fact that I paid around 1600 for this wireless mic, I think it's a steal. And this is sufficient for my needs right now, as I don't need anything more complicated or more fancier than this one. Let's see how this holds up in the long term, and I'm gonna give a long-term review after a couple of months probably to see how this holds up. Thank you.